purpose in me being here is to show off 9 of the first 31 new trucks that we have discovered across the United States that we could purchase. Solid waste, recycling, garbage pickup, quality of life issues is one of our highest priorities.
This is a great day for solid waste management for the city of Houston. As you can see with these 9 new trucks, this is almost like Christmas in August for us.
These new trucks are only the beginning of a permanent solution for solid waste. At some point in time, we may come back to the public and say we need additional resources, but right now it's about efficiency and a model that addresses Houstonians' concerns. We won't rest until we have the quality of life that Houstonians not only expect and will get.